Hi. Today we're going to be hacking Cookie Clicker, so I'm just gonna. I need to turn this volume down. So first of all, usually I'm gonna give myself infinite cookies right now. It's gonna be a little short and simple little thing. So all you have to do is go on the Cookie Clicker website, whatever. When I use this one, all you have to do is right click and click inspect. And this doesn't just work for you because when you reload a tablet, so it doesn't. So console, then you can do game dot, and you could type in as many cookies as you want. I'm just gonna put in just that much. And then you put that, and then we'll just have infinite cookies. And then I'll change it infinite cookies. And then you can, if you use them all, you can easily buy it. Let's try to make it by hacks. And make it infinite cookies for a second. So this, we need auto cooker. 1 millisecond. Okay. Hold on. So we'll just wait for a couple minutes. So I'm gonna see if I can just give myself as many idle versus the most powerful thing. I will just stop. I'll just see if I can use the hacks for that. Hold on. It looks like we can't do that. We cannot do that. So we're just gonna run the auto cooker back on. And the idle first. We'll just wait. Okay. I don't think we should just wait a very long time just to get for a second infinite cookies. But that's just how to hack Cookie Clicker, and you reload infinite cookies. You see that? So bye guys, that's how to hack Cookie Clicker.